Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification while you're at it so you can get notifications when I post new videos. And if you've already subscribed, make sure you click the like button for this video. Okay, so today, on this video, I'm going to be doing something quite different. So, as you can tell, my natural hair is very curly. It's pretty full and I do have bangs. So, what I decided that I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to cut my hair. I want to get the shape better, just because the shape of my hair is looking kind of not so great. I just don't like how my hair is like flat up here and then it's like just droops down flat on the sides. I don't like that. So what I'm trying to do today, hopefully it turns out good, is I'm gonna just like reshape it and give it some more volume, that volumized look, voluminous look. That's how you say it. I'm gonna try to give it that voluminous look today, and try to cut some layers in here. So yeah, keep watching. Okay, so first, of course, I'm gonna start off by using some scissors. It's like I don't even know where to begin. Okay, so I'm gonna just start by taking one of the curls that I got and just clipping a little bit of the end off. And I'm like trying to target more of the top of my hair so that way I can create a little bit more layers. So I'm just grabbing like curl by curl and I'm just cutting. These scissors suck. I'm just cutting some off and I really hope that this turns out kind of well. I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna see. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna cut a little bit of this and hopefully I can get that kind of layered look. It looks shorter already. I'm scared. Okay, so I'm trying to cut off just enough to where like I can retain some length but still get kind of some shape in there, some shape going. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I hope this turns out well, guys. I really hope. I'm like really scared right now. Okay. So I do see a little bit of a difference already. A little bit. I don't want to cut too much of my hair off. That's my only issue. I really don't want to cut too much off. Because if I cut too much off, it's not going to be good. Okay, so I haven't cut too much off. This is like all I've cut off so far. I hope you've seen that. I've only cut a little bit off so far and I already do see a little bit of a difference. This side looks kind of like it's going like this and this side is just flat. And yeah, I kind of like it so far. So I'm gonna start on the other side. And make sure, like when you do this, if you decide to do this, like don't like stretch your hair out all the way. Because if you stretch your hair out all the way, you're probably going to cut off too much. And that's not what we're trying to go for, because we're trying to retain length today. Okay. Let's see. I could cut this one a little bit. Oh, I feel like I'm cutting off so much hair. Oh. It's like nerve-wracking because I worked so hard to grow my hair. I've been growing my hair since 2013. I worked so hard to grow it, so it's just like kind of like painful to cut it. But I want the shape that I want, and I'm gonna achieve that shape that I want. And the only way to do it is by cutting. And also the reason why I decided to do this is because where I live at, there's like no hairstylists for natural hair. And like the people who can do natural hair around here cannot like do diva cuts, which is basically what I'm doing right now. They can't do diva cuts. If I have somebody touch my hair or cut my hair, I want somebody that knows what they're doing and that has experience, and people just don't have that around here. So I'm trying it myself because I did have a bad haircut one time, and yeah, took me forever to grow it back. So let's see. I think it looks better already. I feel like this side needs to be cut just a little bit more because I wanna make this side even with this side. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit more. I feel like I just cut all my hair off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit, just because I want to see how it's gonna look fluffed out. My hair's starting to get frizzy. I want to spray some right here. Can't stand how frizzy this part is right here. Okay, so I see one curl that needs to be cut, and that's this one. Still needs to be cut more. Ooh, I cut so much hair off. I feel like. But I'm still retaining length while doing this, technically. I'm just like really just adding layers into my hair. That was easy. I feel like it's done already. Like, what? And like my hair is like actually this long right here. Show you on the other side. It's actually this long. So that's why I'm like big on retaining length, because my hair has to be like long. All right. Looks like it's done to me. The shape is different than it was, that's for sure. Let me do something with my bangs really quick. just don't like so much bangs in my face, so. Okay. I like it. What do you guys think? My hair looks a little tiny bit shorter. Actually, I think it still looks the same length. It's just the top. I'm not used to being like looking like that. But what are you guys thinking? Like, give me some opinions or some feedback on what you guys think. So this is gonna conclude my video today. If you like it on how I cut my hair, just give me a thumbs up, please. And I thank you guys for watching.